Hello again, or hello for the first time, and good morning from Immaculate Conception Cemetery here in Fayetteville, New York. We're here to take a look at this cemetery, just kind of walk through and have just a nice peaceful morning. Let's go take a walk around. So I'm walking out towards the road to give you a view of the front entrance. Kind of noticed this circular section in the middle. It's very prominent here. Looks like a really well thought out cemetery. Of older trees. It's still an active cemetery, and they have a new burial, so I won't be going over that way where they're digging, but I'll take a look at some of the older ones here. Just do a quick walk through in the morning. This is Route 5. Goes through town here, all the way across the state. This little entrance over this way. The first burial in this cemetery was July 9th, 1879. So there's a wide variety of monuments to people and families. Beautiful old trees. In this spot, the Gaynor family, a very dedicated look. Pretty large monument here to the family. It's always interesting walking through a cemetery like this and being semi-local to the area, because you always see like a name that you might know. You kind of wonder if that's related to the actual name that you actually know throughout the area. But if you do know something about anyone in this cemetery, give us a shout down in the comments section. Love to hear different points of view. And if you know someone in here, maybe we'll revisit. If you want to check up on how your relative and their marker is doing. We're definitely heading back out to some different cemeteries to already do that for some people from some videos we've made a long time ago by now. So if you want to do that, leave us a comment down below, or if there's a certain monument you like, or a name you recognize, let us know. And just gonna kind of walk through. I think it's nice to appreciate our previous generations, and as long as we know the names and walk amongst them, we won't forget them. Thanks for visiting Immaculate Conception Cemetery with me here in Fayetteville, New York. Beautiful cemetery grounds. It's an interesting walk. A lot of stuff we didn't see. If there's anything you wanted to take a look at, maybe we can pop back around here and just leave us a comment down below. If you like this stuff, try this playlist. We have a whole bunch of cemetery videos. We walk through, see some different headstones and cemeteries.